Unlocking your potential just got easier with Capsule's latest and greatest features of 2024. Introducing the transformative history search tool that helps you find vital information effortlessly. Imagine performing full text searches through calls, emails, and notes, ensuring you never feel lost again. We listened to your requests and now have a new sorting option to help prioritize contacts efficiently. Sort your contacts easily by custom field data and connect more effectively with your organizations. Streamline your lead collection process with the magical integration of LinkedIn into Capsule. Just a few clicks allow you to enrich your contacts effortlessly through Magical's Chrome extension. Leverage the power of lemlist to supercharge your sales outreach and access millions of leads. Join our informative webinar and discover crucial Capsule features you may not be utilizing yet. Earn $250 by inviting friends to experience Capsule, a win-win opportunity worth exploring further.